I've been using my Breville Barista Express Impress for 4 months. And when I saw the KNODOS Espresso Tamping Station kit, I wanted to give it a try to see if it could really up my espresso game. I love how my Breville machine simplifies espresso making. It's got this Impress puck system that handles dosing and tamping for me. For someone who just wants a solid shot, quick and easy, it's been a game changer. The KNODOS station looks fancy, but most of the tools feel redundant. The tamping station and tamper just feel like extra clutter on my counter. The distribution tool and WDT tool are supposed to even out the grounds. But I found the Breville's grinder does a great job, and the grounds drop straight into the portafilter. I tried the WDT tool, and honestly, I couldn't taste a difference. The dosing funnel does not even fit my machine. The most useful tools in this kit are the puck screen and bottomless portafilter. The puck screen keeps things cleaner and might help with channeling. The bottomless portafilter is cool for watching the extraction. Once I figure out my dosing, I don't need to use any tool. My shots taste great, and the machine's built-in features handle all other works. The KNODOS kit might appeal to people who love tweaking every detail, but with the Breville Barista Express Impress, I don't see the point. The machine's designed to keep things simple and effective, and it delivers. I'd rather save the cash and counter space. If you find the video helpful, make sure to like and subscribe to our channel. Thanks.